Man, real bummer. We got to draw each other. First pair, first round. But I guess the only good news is one of us going second chance race and keep doing well there for sure. Right?
I'm going to keep going on.
He's going to keep going. He does, I mean, we're always pretty close off the first rip, so this is going to be super interesting. Because we really haven't raced each other out. I don't think we ever have, so yeah, we'll see how it happens. It'll be good. So somebody sent, I got something in the mail, I don't know who sent this to us, but it came in the mail the other day to me, and I've mounted it back here for right now. Wait till you give this bad boy a listen. Remote control, quite fancy. Remote control. I don't know who sent it, but thanks, I like it a lot. I'm probably going to mount it somewhere else, but we kind of got here, I just threw it on there real quick, but thank you, it fits it pretty well. Now I can get people out of the way. No, it just stopped. It might not be happy. Might have finally found its limit. It cranks, so that's good, but I don't know what the shit happened.
Fast though. It didn't shift, but it was fast.
Spicy up top.
Having to drive around a little bit up there.
A little spicy up top.
Little driver, something. He was moving around up top. Bumper in the left, west and the right. Threes. Mason, TJ. All right.
So I've done better. Usually I pull one of us in second round, so we'll see if. Usually I don't make it out of second round. So pulled Dylan Hampton and his cool little Corvette over there with a big ass wing. So we'll see. Still didn't shift. So I lowered my tack light a little bit to make sure. Oh, my ignition's not on. I'm gonna lower this a little bit, because even if it short shifts, when you pull my ignition, I need it to shift, pretty much. That's all I give a shit about.
Anybody gonna fess up?
Oh, Michael. Eminem, boy.
Right lane again, your left? Careful, bud. Hey, your left.
Use twos.
Yeah, I'm left.
You used to pull up.
Yeah, oh yeah. Like I said, if you want to go first.
Bumper and TJ. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
all right.
Yeah,
We're down racing each other, boys. So Austin gets the bye. Holy shit.
No! That was awesome. A little slower in this lane, but
yeah, it is a little slower. Well, I don't have second gear, so I try to put a little bit more to it in the 60, and I think it did really well. I mean, I don't think it started power wheeling until like 200 foot out, and then I pedaled it, it came down, and short shift, and it didn't shift, so I got back in, it got me all squirrely, but Kuhn got me by the last 200 foot, so not a big deal. Still having training problems, so.
It's me and Austin, and then Maliboost got the bye. Austin's been going faster than me all night, so I gave her all I think I can, and I don't know if it'll be enough tonight, but we're gonna find out.
Yeah, pretty much. He's got me the last 2 times, but I've been running pretty good today, pretty consistent, so I just pretty much left it alone, added a little bit of power mid-track, so hopefully it doesn't spin or do a wheelie. That's the plan for it.
I think left lane got that.
Damn! Start finally
Yes, it
got
did.
bumper. What a race! That was awesome.
Well, we made it to the finals, and we're gonna leave the tune alone. Went down smooth. There's no craziness on it, so I'm gonna leave that and see what it does. We got Kuhn here, and both new to the finals here at the Big End Banger. So.
Yes, good job.
Should have had one more beer.
Definitely best pass I've ever had.
Swear to God, if Mike wasn't on the scramble.